adjusters, it can either be around 2 centimeters, which is the shortest distance, and if we drag it out as much as we can, we're breaking it. You can get about 7 centimeters, is what I recommend. More than that, it's going to be a little more unstable. 7 centimeters here. So that means, for example, if you're going to put these ones on, for example, a frame like this. This frame is 4 centimeters, or 45. That means like so. Okay. And then you just enter it in like this. But we'll do that later on. And the same goes, of course, with this one. Distance I need. Then make sure press it in like this.